Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, a new video is gonna come here later this week about my garage floor that I just got done. You may see a little bit in this video, but I'll show you more of that here very soon. Quick sneak peek. Looks great, by the way, but wait for that video. You'll see the full process for that. So I've done quite a bit of prize giveaways, ranging from $500 SCP or a gift card, custom tunes, parts, BMW apparel, Bluetooth kits, all kinds of wide range of stuff. So guys, I need your input. Outside of everything, what would be like the end all be all prize giveaway that we can do on this channel together? That way someone gets a great prize. Is it maintenance stuff? Is it with a manufacturer like Burger Motorsports, VRSF, whatever? Is it actual parts, performance parts, like I mentioned, through an actual company, or just plain out money? What do you guys think? I'm really curious. I always want to know what you guys think, what you guys want to do. Let me know down in the comment section below. Quick little video on that. I want to get something here rolling as we're coming into August and doing that. So let me know as soon as possible, and I'll start making some phone calls and see what we can do. All right, guys, big thumbs up. Get down in there in the comment section below. Check out the other DIYs, of course, on the channel. Thanks. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Take care.